Hello everyone, I'm Francesca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're kicking it off with this crispy tofu panini. It is delicious, it is so good, and the crispy tofu cutlets can be used for like whatever you want. You could put it on salads, wraps, anything. It's absolutely delicious. And this panini is filled with a chili onion crunch vegan mayo, spinach, and vegan cheese, and it is delicious. So it's a great lunch. It's just like such a good meal. I love a panini. Who doesn't love a panini? Like always, the full written out recipes are on my blog. There's a link in the description box down below for that. And I also write out all the ingredients in the description box down below as well. I also put everything that I think you might need in the description box down below as well. With all that being said, let's go make these panini. For today's recipe, we are using super firm tofu. It is very tightly condensed and packed down. It's higher in protein and has less water, and I just like the overall consistency and texture of this the best. So we're going to take half a block and cut it into 4 equal rectangles just like this, and then because the tofu is wet, we can actually just pop it right into our breadcrumbs. I'm using these nice seasoned breadcrumbs. If your breadcrumbs aren't seasoned, just make sure to add some spices and seasonings in there. And I'm just going to press the tofu into the breadcrumbs, and like I said, because the tofu is wet, it's just gonna stick automatically. And really make sure to pack it on there. Make sure you get all those sides, even the little skinny sides, you know, don't just get the 2 front faces, get the sides. And then we're going to add our spray oil on there. We're going to air fry these, so I'm going to put them the side that I put the spray oil down, so then I can spray the other side. We're going to air fry this at 375 for 15 minutes. You can use any bread that you like. We're going to add some spinach to this. I love spinach because it doesn't get super wilted. We're going to add some vegan cheese, any vegan cheese you like, and then we're going to make this delicious vegan chili mayo onion crunch thing. I don't know, but I just combined vegan mayo and the Trader Joe's chili onion crunch and mixed it up until it was all well incorporated, and this was real good. Okay, so look at our tofu. Look at that. That is beautiful. So now let's make our sandwiches. So I just opened up 2 pieces of my bread. We're gonna spread the chili mayo on both sides of the bread. We're gonna add 1 slice of vegan cheese. We're gonna take our 2 little tofu patties. Look at how perfectly they fit. It's just like so satisfying. How cute. They fit so perfect. Okay, and then we're gonna add our spinach on there. Like I said, I just love spinach for this because it'll wilt down, but it won't be like super soft. Like it won't get soggy like iceberg lettuce. Pop your top of your bread on there, and then we're gonna go in with the Panini Press. So you can either use a Panini Press, you can use like the George Foreman grill, you can even put it in a pan, whatever you want to do. I'm gonna add some spray oil on here, and then we are just going to pop our little panini in there. How cute are they? By the way, 1 panini by itself is a panino, because panini is plural in Italian. Okay, so I'm just pressing it until it's nice and brown and crisp and that vegan cheese is melted. Look at those lines. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. But again, if you don't have a panini press, just use, like I said, a pan, a little grill, whatever you got. And then you're cutting this on a diagonal. I don't want to see this cut in half. Okay? Cut it on a diagonal, otherwise I'll be very upset. And that's it. Look at that steam. Look at that steam. I mean, I know it's not like the most beautiful cross section, but I promise you it was so delicious, and I just love it. That crispy goldenness. I've been eating so many panini for lunch lately. I don't know why. I've just been on panini kick. And of course, use any bread that you like. I'm just using bread that kind of fits my needs right now, but I do like that bread. I highly recommend it if you are looking for a good bread like that. But gorgeous. Oh, this is just try it. Just try it. The flavors so good. So good. All right, everyone, and that was our delicious crispy tofu panini. It is so good. I really hope you make it soon, and it's delicious, and it's like it's perfect. And the tofu in there is just so good. If you enjoyed this video, you already know, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Helps the channel out, helps us to grow and spread more vegan recipes, and I will be back tomorrow with another video. Bye.